Difference between each and every. What is the difference between each and every? The difference is very subtle, and this is why it is often difficult for people to decide whether to use each or every when writing a sentence. Even native English speakers find it difficult to decide when to use each and when to use every. Every artist is creative. Each artist has his or her own way of creative expression. Every child learns fast. Each child perceives the world differently. First thing first, each is used when there are two or more objects or persons that are being considered. Every is used for more than two objects or persons. You don't say, he has a book in every hand, but you say, he has a book in each hand. Him having a book in every hand means that he has more than two hands, which at least right now is not possible unless you are an animal or a robot. You don't say, Rashid's every parent carried a bag, but you say, Rashid's each parent carried a bag. Again, in the conventional family there are only two parents, a mother or a father, or two fathers or two mothers in the case of a same-sex marriage, but other than that, rarely it happens that there are more than two parents. Unless it is a commune where parental responsibilities are taken by a group of grown-ups and every child belongs to everyone. Now look at these two sentences. Every person in this room is going to get an ice cream. Each person in this room is going to get an ice cream. Each, one by one, every individual member of the group. Each is for everyone in the group, but every doesn't necessarily have to be everyone. Consider this example or this sentence. Almost every homeless person in the area gets soup at our shelter. Almost every means that not all but almost everyone. Each homeless person on the pavement got soup from our shelter this week. But each means everyone. You don't write almost each person. Practically every child has received some form of financial aid from the school this year. Practically every child means almost every child, but not all the children. Each child has received some form of financial aid from the school this year. Each child means every child. Not a single child is left. You don't use practically each child. Interestingly, in many cases, whether you decide to use each or every depends on your feeling rather than a very strong grammatical reason. Take for example, the city council has decided to protect every tree on the boulevard. The city council has decided to protect each tree on the boulevard. Both the sentences are correct. It is a feeling of the emotion that decides whether you want to use every or each. When you use each, the stress is on individual object or person. Each player played well. When you use every, the stress is not on the individual but on the group. Since with each the stress is on the individual, you can also use each in sentences like these. Each of the students in the class received a gift. Each of the trees on the road have been marked as not to be cut. Each of the dogs in the kennel have been vaccinated. When you use each of, the preceding noun is always plural. In the above sentences, we have children, trees, and dogs. You cannot use every of the children. In the previous screen, I said that each is followed by a singular object. But you can use each also with the groups or with plurals. We each agreed to help the school teacher gather the loose sheets. They each brought $5 that were then donated to the organization working for the environment. Husband and wife are each going to get some cooking lessons in the seminar. Although every is also used with a singular pronoun or a subject, sometimes it may seem that it is being used with plural subjects such as, the train comes to this metro station every 10 minutes. He comes to the school every 2 weeks, otherwise he stays home. In these two examples, 10 minutes and 2 weeks may seem like plural, but they are singular sets and hence in a way they are singular too. A set of 10 minutes, a set of 2 weeks. When two nouns, two objects or two persons are involved, you always use each and not every. During the boxing match, each player is wearing protective gear. In a boxing match, there are always two players, so you use each and not every. But in a football match, there are 22 players, hence this sentence is correct. In a football match, every player gets to kick the ball at least once. Broad differences between each and every. You use each player, each child or each student when there are two players, children or students. Use every player, every child or every student when there are more than two players, children or students. Each is normally for a smaller group. Every is for a bigger group. Each house in the lane. Every house in the colony. You use each when the number is easily countable. She took extra classes each Sunday of the semester. She goes to the Hanuman temple every Tuesday. She took extra classes every Sunday of the semester. She goes to the Hanuman temple each Tuesday. In some cases, each and every can be used interchangeably. The video up till now has explained to you how to choose between each and every, so you can skip the proceeding part if you want. Now I'm going to tell you some grammar aspect of each and every. Each can be used as a determiner, a pronoun or an adverb. Want to know what is a determiner? Check out the video in the link above. As is the definition of a determiner, it helps you single out or highlight individual people, items or phenomenon. For example, she has a book in each hand. Similarly, every is also a determiner. For example, every student in the class is annoyed by this teacher. Similarly, as an example of each being a pronoun, you can see this sentence. Each piece of this puzzle fits quite well. Similarly, every piece of this puzzle fits quite well. Both the sentences will do. Well, these are grammar issues, but ultimately whether you want to use each or every, as explained before, depends on whether you want to talk about something as a group or as an individual. Also, it depends on how you feel about a group or an individual. A particular difference is that you don't use every hand of the body or every foot of the body because the body has only two hands and 2 feet if you are watching the video as a human. Hence, just remember this. When 2 hands or 2 feet or 2 parents or 2 team members are involved, you can use each. Each hand had soap on it so he could not pick up the baby. Every arm of the octopus is entangled in the fish net. Each parent has tried pacifying the baby but to no avail. Every parent in the room has something to say against the teacher. Each boxer in the ring deserves praise for the sportsmanship they showed. Every footballer in the team is infected with coronavirus. So, whenever you are sure that there are 2 people, use each. Otherwise, whether you use each or every depends on your feeling and the impact that you want to make through the sentence. Like this video, subscribe to my channel or click the bell icon to receive instant notifications.